In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress a PDF in Adobe Scan. First, open the Adobe Scan app on your phone. From the Home tab, find the PDF you want to compress. Tap on the three dots next to the file and select Compress PDF. You'll be given two options for compression: high compression and low compression. High compression will create a smaller file size but reduce the quality, while low compression will maintain better quality but result in a larger file size. Choose the option that works best for you and tap Compress at the top right corner of the screen. Wait for the compression to finish. Once it's done, a new compressed file will appear in the app. Tap the three dots on that file to check its size under the file name. If the Compress PDF option is not available, it means you don't have an active Adobe Scan subscription. In that case, you can use an online tool to compress the file. Simply search for Compress PDF in any browser and choose a reliable website. And that's how you can compress PDFs in Adobe Scan.